Hello everyone, we are here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. What does that mean? Well, with any vehicle purchase, you're going to be entered into a monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000, and who couldn't use that nowadays? Back to the start of the show, we're excited to be taking you around this stunning 2016 Ram 1500 Sport Crew Cab 4x4. Under the hood, you're going to find the powerful 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It is shown in that classic brilliant black crystal pearl, and this does have a 4-inch lift on it, including aftermarket rims and tires. This has also had only one previous owner, has a clean CARFAX, and has been fully safetied and inspected. We're going to take you through the interior quickly, but if you have any additional questions or just want to get this on the road for a test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Helping you in, you do have this factory remote with your unlock, lock, remote start, and panic button. You do have the signal light indicators there on the mirrors, which is a great safety feature. And those side steps helping you in. Once inside, a beautiful black interior, brushed metal and chrome accenting throughout. Power mirrors, windows, and locks, and your mirrors are also power folding. Tons of storage in the door. Great all-weather WeatherTech mats, keeping everything in good condition. And then you have your driver's seat is fully adjustable with lumbar support, and you have this beautiful sporty finish on here. They're also heated. And your steering wheel is also leather wrapped and heated. You have cruise control options, including shifting options on your right. On your left, Bluetooth and hands-free dash selection buttons, and behind my fingers there, audio mounted controls. Fully automatic headlights, and you have a tilt option on your steering wheel. And then into the dash, the current mileage is 51,787 kilometers. You also have a large menu of information you can scroll through. Take a second to explore that with your sales advisor. Moving on over, you have, of course, your ignition area, your dial shifting knob with your 4x4 options, and then as we head up, a beautiful clean dash, added stitching for accenting. You have RAM detailing up there as well. Great spot for an extra set of sunglasses, AM, FM, and satellite capability. In your UCONNECT system, you also have for your media USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth, and an SD card option. So again, your heated seat options, 2 different settings for your driver and passenger, and your heated steering wheel, an app screen, your climate screen. You can turn the screen off, and there is a screen dedicated specifically to help you pair your phone, so it's a very user-friendly system. Down below that, you have the manual buttons for climate and media, traction control, tow haul, and again, heated seat and steering wheel, the manual buttons for those. AC outlet to the right, 12-volt outlet in the middle, and then into your center console, you have a top shallow area with all of your media ports hidden away, so you can keep everything clean and organized, and then down below, tons of extra space. We'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. Just to ignore my camera equipment there, tons of legroom, glove compartment down below, up above additional space, illuminated vanity mirrors in your sun visors, and then you have your garage door transmitters, your rear sliding window, and interior cabin lighting. As we head into the back, that beautiful black interior continues back here, of course. Tons of storage in the door, again, side steps helping you in. So tons of space back here, again, great all-weather WeatherTech runner running along, keeping everything in good condition, and underneath there you do have additional storage. The bottoms of the seats lift up easily, storage below them, and you also have this panel on both sides that comes out and extends, so you can get a nice flat traveling surface, and then an armrest with 2 cup holders and a 12-volt outlet in the middle. As we head into the back bed, you have this beautiful tonneau cover on here. Again, we'll give you a shot of that rear sliding window. Tie-down hooks in the 4 corners. You also have lights back here, so it can be illuminated at night. And of course, you do have a bed liner in here, again, keeping everything in good condition. You just have to lift up this panel here before you close it so it seals. And as we walk out here, you'll also see the trailer hitch receiver. So it's a beautiful truck overall. If you have any questions or just want to get it on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.